People say the definition of love, or how it is expressed, or what it means, or is perceived as, changes with time. Every generation defines or expresses love differently. I don't believe that. I believe love is universal and is defined, expressed, and perceived the same across generations, and for that matter, any emotion. Emotions are primal to us, and it has remained the same since the time we have existed on this earth. This is what I'm trying to express through this film. People say that millennials are emotionless. They live life on the fast lane and don't have time for love. I say that that's not true. This film is a backhanded ode to love. I believe the peak of an emotion, especially love, comes when it's starting or when it's ending. This film is about pining for love and about regret for having lost on it, which I think is a stronger case for love. The setup of the shoot is fairly simple. A couple having a date like situation on the roof of a house. It's not a romantic candlelight dinner, but romantic evening tea kind of a situation with some delicacies and some complications take place which take the story forward. So we were relying on daylight, but as an anticlimax, we've been experiencing unseasonable rain in Delhi the whole yesterday and last night. And we were thinking that if it rains during the day today, then the shoot would be as good as crude. But thankfully the weather held up and we were able to conduct our shoot without any compromise. The shoot of this film for road competition, we have a small crew that is pretty much multitasking. The actors have never acted before and came on board out of curiosity and desire to experience something new. We were shooting this film on Blackmagic Pocket Cinema Camera 6K Pro. Besides, I wanted raw files while being economical on the budget. Also, I edit on DaVinci Resolve, so Blackmagic raw files would have made my post-production smooth and hassle-free. The sound is being recorded on Rode NTG3 boom mic, which is a beautiful mic with Zoom H6 recorder. In a film, visual and sound are like husband and wife. One cannot live without the other, unless it's a silent film. So I was very particular about how my film is going to sound as much as it looks. Hence, we were doing the follies in the same way as we were shooting the visuals of the film. First, we would shoot a scene for the visual, and then the retake would be done for the sound. The main characters of the behind the scene are Dinesh, on BTS and other things, Dheeraj, on sound amongst other things, Taruna is on makeup and costume and the owner of the location, and our two characters Jeet and Charu. And finally, it's me, writer, producer and director and spot boy. Thank you.